Isolate the electrical supply to the door system and ensure all door circuit breakers are tripped before any maintenance activity or before beginning to work on the doors or its components. In order to remove the center hook assembly, first open the door leaves. Unscrew and remove 8 mm Allen head cap screw connecting the center hook assembly to the door gear mainframe using an 8 mm Allen key. Then remove the spacer. Unscrew and remove 5 mm Allen shoulder bolts connecting the joining link to the center hook casting. Finally, remove the center hook assembly.